Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Admissions open for BTech, BSc Agri, BPharm, Nursing, Paramedical and Arts and Science courses.
Girl will be okay with playing a smaller character and doing a role in that film, but a mainstream main lead actor will never come and do a small character role for a female actor. So the women are always much easier to work with. I'm a full rice girl. This cauli rice just doesn't cut it.
But then you have to do
I
it.
need chawal. Yeah.
तो लास्ट चावल कब खाई थी?
कल ही मैंने आज डाइट शुरू I've lost weight for Akira to become extremely fit. I've put on weight, 15-20 kilos for double XL. You think I can't do it? I can do it, but I'm very happy with the way I am. Eggs, yeah. I make very good scrambled eggs and I make half fry. Simplest.
Lovely. But
I don't know sea of cooking. Yeah.
if you had to imitate your family members on a table, what they would be doing, what would your father be saying?
My dad is the king of the table. He just has to sit there. Everything has to come to him. He's the Raja. He loves to be served, and he's so cute. He just loves to be pampered when he's on the dining table. I like my privacy. I like guarding it, so I do that, and I'm very happy.
Now that you're staying on your own,
Who told you I'm staying on my own?
I thought you're staying on your own.
Good thought. See, यही होता है when people think, ना.
So everybody's staying together.
I still live with my parents. Growing up, I never had that role model. You know, there was not one person at that point in time I felt like I could be like, oh, I relate, you know, or somebody who told me that it's okay to be how you are.
Yeah.
I needed that. And I think that's why even when I started doing movies, I did lose a lot of weight. I did the bung, but people were still discussing my weight.
Well, I had the absolute privilege to watch all the 8 episodes of Hira Mandi before it dropped, and I had told Sonakshi Sinha that you don't know what it is gonna bring for you, but today everybody is loving her, and rightly so. And for this episode of Table for Two, I am joined by Sonakshi. Thank you for doing this. Thankful that you have decided to have lunch with us.
I kept my promises, but I have to warn you, when I eat, I don't talk. So you decide, you want to do the interview or you want to...
चलेगा, खाते खाते बात कर लेंगे. जितना मैं तो बात कर सकूंगा ना, तो जब
मैं concentrate नहीं कर सकती किसी और
But from what I know that you're on a special diet right now.
I'm on keto, yeah, this time.
You're on keto.
Yeah.
So what is it that you are eating in the mornings? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, कैसा होता है?
मतलब proteins, fats and no carbs, no sugar. Basically,
Okay.
So yeah, my life is quite boring right now.
What are you eating then?
I eat eggs, I eat my cauli rice, I have like mixture of lot of like low carb vegetables and stuff. So that's basically what my life is.
So we've ordered actually cauli rice, which is a keto Thai curry.
Amazing.
Fish keto Thai curry.
Oh, fish.
I love the fact that you love fish also, because I'm a Bengali.
Who told you?
Fish you don't like?
I don't eat fish.
मैडम ने तो कीटो फिश करी.
Oh shit.
Market
Okay, fine. ठीक है,
together.
चल तेरे लिए आज खा लूंगी. It looks good, that's why.
It is
Yeah.
it is good. I know because it's from Farmer's Cafe, which everybody loves in Mumbai clearly.
Mhm.
But so we'll begin eating while
Okay.
we talk. First of all, congratulations
Thank
on Hira
you.
Mandi. अभी बोल सकते हैं कि
अभी
आपने
बोल
जो
सकते
दो
हैं।
कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है.
अभी बोल सकते हैं.
You know, what was your first reaction when Bhansali sir came to you with Hira Mandi? Did he come to you with these 2 roles, or did he come to you with something else?
He came to me with Faridan,
Huh.
and I really think it was me who suggested let me play my own mother's role, because that will be amazing.
Yeah.
And that's not something I've done before. So I'm glad it worked out, and I'm glad I played both the characters because I really enjoyed being both of them. They're so bad.
They're so bad,
Ah.
and you know, but in the end you start feeling for them also. He's given a reason for them to behave the way they are
Yeah,
behaving.
well, maybe
It's
not so much
like-
for Rehana. She was
Yeah.
just downright cruel.
Yeah, she was.
But Faridan, yeah, I mean, that's the beauty of Sanjay sir. He really justifies his character's emotions and feelings, even if they're negative,
Yeah.
you know? And I love that. Faridan's not being bad just for the sake of being bad.
Yeah.
She has her reason. She's been through real bad stuff in life, you know? And which is why she acts out of these very bad motives and like revenge and hatred and anger and, you know, all these emotions. But it's beautifully justified. So I really enjoyed playing her.
I just want to ask you that Sonakshi, like when you speak about playing a character like that, okay, and I told you this that there are so many moments in your life that you've done some projects and that has got you so much love. Last year it was Dahar. This year it is Hira Mandi. But why is it difficult for you to come out and just speak to the world about the love that you get? What is there in you? And this I want to ask you because you do realize in your position, if there would have been any other actor, actress, they would have gone and painted the whole town red. Don't you agree that
What
they
was
would
there
have?
to speak? I have to enjoy the love I'm getting now. How will I enjoy if I'm going out and dindora doing? Let me enjoy it. The love is for me, yeah.
But how many times have people told you that why aren't you doing it? Why aren't you?
A lot. In fact, Rashita was just telling me in the car.
Because we both feel the
And
same way.
I told her my reasons. I was like, I really just want my work to speak. And anything around that is so much effort.
Yeah.
I just want to concentrate on my work.
Yeah.
And if I do well, people will anyway talk about it.
Yeah.
Which is what is happening. So I'm very happy like that. I'm a very content person in life in general. Small things give me happiness, small achievements, small victories, all of that. And I'm okay with that. Like I've come to terms with, I don't enjoy the pap culture. I don't like,
Yeah, you don't.
I like my privacy. I like guarding it. So I do that. And I'm very happy here.
But you've been born into a family which
Yeah.
has always been so simple despite being so connected
Yeah.
to the fraternity. Do you feel that somewhere your nature or the conditioning that you have is of the type where this is worked out for you like that? Like, where you don't really go tom-tomming, you don't do any of it.
Yeah, I'm sure it has a lot to do with my upbringing, right? And like we've seen it also, but we've seen it from a distance. So I feel I enjoy keeping it at that distance because, it's very easy to get consumed by at some point. And I don't want to take that focus away from what I'm doing because I really enjoy it. Now, if
True.
I'm enjoying my work, I'm doing it well, and then again, I have to work extra to get more attention from people. My life is going to be consumed by that.
That's true.
I have other things to do. My work is a part of my life. It's not my entire life, And I feel I'm very happy with that.
But how do you not get corrupt by the whole idea of failure and success then?
पता नहीं
Like,
यार,
have you been,
अब तक
like
नहीं
your
हुआ तो
father
नहीं हो
has
रहा.
seen, your father has seen the highest of highs and the lowest
Yeah,
of lows as
absolutely.
well, and you guys
But
have
who
gone through-
hasn't?
Yeah.
Name one person who
Yeah.
hasn't. It's a part of life. That's what I'm saying. It doesn't have to become your entire life. It's just a part of it.
Well, because this is called a table for two. मुझे पता है कि आपके घर पे आपकी मम्मी बहुत अच्छा खाना पकाती है.
बहुत
हमने
ही
एक बार देखा भी था आपने और आपकी मम्मी ने खाना पकाया था फराह खान के साथ. तो मुझे पूछना है कि घर पे
मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं पकाया था.
पर मुझे पूछना है कि घर पे रेगुलर सिन्हा लंच डिनर क्या होता है?
जब मैं डाइट में होती हूँ तो मेरा डाइट का खाना होता है. बट अदरवाइज इट्स नॉर्मल घर का खाना. लाइक शी मेक्स अमेजिंग सिंधी करी, राइस, आलू का टूक. शी मेक्स अमेजिंग सरसों मार्च.
Oh,
Yeah, mustard wala, it's
the Bengali specialty.
Yeah, the Bengali specialty. She makes amazing Bengali food actually. And she's learnt all of that from her mother-in-law, my dad's mom. Yeah.
Wow.
Then I love the simplest of food, dal chawal, one nice sabzi. I love my gawar ki sabzi. I love my bharawa bhindi, all of that. I love.
But what is it that you cook the best? You don't know how to cook at all?
I don't cook at all.
But have you ever gone to the kitchen and cooked something and this turned out to be a disaster?
I know how to make eggs. I mean, that's the most basic thing.
Maggie and eggs.
Maggie and eggs. But I've not really made Maggie in my own house. Eggs, yeah. I make very good scrambled eggs. And I make half fry. Simplest.
Lovely. But
I don't know sea of cooking. Yeah.
but now that you're staying on your own.
Who told you I'm staying on my own?
I thought you were staying on your own.
Good thought. See, यही होता है when people think, ना.
So everybody's staying together.
I still live with my parents.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, I bought a house. That's my chill pad. I do my work meetings over there. I do my shoots over there. I get ready for my events over there.
Oh, lovely. But I've seen that house. It's amazing.
Yeah,
And
then-
I know the whole design element
Yeah.
that you have brought in
Yeah.
to that entire house. I think it's lovely.
yeah, so then I do all my work stuff over there and I go back home and sleep.
Who's the fussiest eater in the family among the 5 of you?
Not me. For
Yeah,
sure.
you're not fussy. I can clearly see.
No. No one's really fussy.
But like picky about food. Keep ऐसा ये होना
Yeah,
चाहिए.
nobody in my family is actually picky about food. Yeah, no.
If you had to imitate your family members on a table, what they would be doing, what would your father be saying?
My dad is the king of the table. He just has to sit there. Everything has to come to him. He's the Raja. He loves to be served, and you know he's so cute. He just loves to be pampered when he's on the dining table. So he'll just sit there like a king, and everybody will be pursuing something or the other to him. And it's really cute to just watch. Yeah.
Your mom?
My mom is the one who's usually feeding people. So she's the one who loves to serve, make sure everyone's eaten, everything, and she's a force feeder. Like,
that's
which is why my childhood I grew up overweight is because my mom loves to feed people and she loved to feed me. So, yeah.
And what about your brothers? How would they be reacting?
They're normal. Like, kids are okay. We sit, we nicely eat. I'm the one usually who, like I said, once food is in front of me, I only concentrate on food.
Oh, and then they will talk.
Yeah, everybody's talking and I'm just eating. Yeah.
What is it that you loved eating while you were growing up?
Pizzas. Yeah, believe it or not.
How many did you
I
finish?
used to eat a lot of pizzas all the time. That was like my staple diet, I feel. So
Really?
unhealthy, yuck.
And tell me how would you like your pizza to be? Because everybody has a different type of pizza that they like.
I'm a margarita girl.
Oh,
Plain
Simple.
cheese. Plain cheese with lots of chili flakes on top.
but I want to ask you this, that whenever something good happens to you, something bad happens to you in terms of work, a lot of people find it to be a lot more personal because of the simplicity that you carry around. I'm being honest, in case we had ordered this and somebody wouldn't be eating fish, because I think there was a goof up, I don't know what happened. I know a lot of people who would just have a nervous
Would have
breakdown.
stormed out of this interview.
But
How
you have also
dare
worked with a lot of people who are like that.
I have, yeah.
How do you deal with those kind of idiosyncrasies of other actors around you when you are this simple?
It's not my problem. I'm there to do my bit.
But
That's when
sometimes
I
it does
go.
get to you.
No, actually. Because it's not my circus, not my monkey. I come there, I do my job, I get out. What somebody else is doing is not my concern, first of all. Unless it's directly disrespectful to me, I don't care.
Have you ever been in that situation and how did you react?
Yes, I have. I just kind of shut off. That person will not exist for me anymore. I will ignore them. I will, like I said, I'm thoroughly professional. If I'm there for a job, I'll finish my job and then I'll leave. I don't need to indulge or engage with that person if they've, done me wrong.
In Hira Mandi or even in Dahar or in most of the characters that you've played, very subtly you take stands for causes against women at large. What's the beauty of Hira Mandi? I start disliking Faridan, the character, and then immediately, now we can speak after the jail scene, when you are with Cartwright and you say कि हमने आपको उनका गुरूर छीनने को बोला था, उनकी आबरू नहीं, and that's the human element that you brought.
Yeah.
And that's my definition of feminism, because I feel like you were fighting, there was a war, but the war was never to snatch away somebody's honor, and that was the best part. Even though you were playing a negative character.
Yeah.
And imagine the positive characters that you've played, maybe an Akira and all of those characters, Lutera, keep going back to that thing. Does it come from your own ideologies? Like sometimes people practice but they don't preach, sometimes people preach but they don't practice.
I mean, it's always nice to portray a strong female character. And I believe as an actor, even if it's negative.
Yeah.
Like Faridan is negative, but she's strong.
Yeah.
She has an agenda. She's very, she has agency.
True.
She's driven by something. She's out to get whatever it is that she wants. And that's what, I mean, women are all about, right? At the end of the day.
Absolutely.
But she also has her principles in the correct place. Now when it went one step too far, it was fine as long as she was doing it and she was doing it in her own limits. But when it went one step too far, that's when she did take a stand.
Yeah.
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 And that's what I appreciate about it. So even if it's a negative character, but if it's got qualities that women should have or should resonate with, I would love to play a character like that.
But you've always been doing that, I feel.
Yeah.
Like in some way or the other, there's something that will attract audiences towards that particular scene, that particular...
Yeah.
Do you also, when you're looking at the script, do you look for one such scene like that at least?
I look for, in principle, for the character to be sort of, driven by something.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because I feel that's important. That's what people can relate to.
When you talk about failures and successes, because you said that everybody has seen it. Of course, your family has seen it too.
Yeah.
But, when it happens, Shatru sir has wonderfully said it that when he went through the lows, he didn't feel it as much as when his kids would go through that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Today, and today when, there are back-to-back successes, this industry is such that har din charte suraj ko salami hai, right? One day you're the biggest star giving all the 100 crore films, and then suddenly the next day if one film doesn't work, then the same person is bashed. How do you take it? And do you feel like your parents are the happiest at this point because you're getting so much love? More happier than you?
They're obviously thrilled. Every day my parents are sending me forwards of their friends, applauding me, and it's really cute actually. So they're thrilled to bits. But what I've learned from my father at a very early on stage, and I think that's what really helped me handle both equally. And I did. Initially, my first two films were massive hits. So it didn't really hit me until much later on, I've learned this from my dad, that failure teaches you much more than success ever can. And that is so true. And that is the day I realized that when my first failure also happened. My first film that didn't work was Joker. And I didn't take it to heart.
Oh, you were very calm.
I was very calm even at that point. I didn't take it to heart. And I feel I learned how to treat both equally since then. So now, even like you said, even if something is a massive hit, you won't see me going and dhindora pitoing. And even when something doesn't do well, I'm the same.
We'll do it for you.
My temperament is the same.
That's true. But that is how you have been as a person.
Yeah.
And there's so many of my friends, and I just put up a post today when I put up my coal-lined eyes and stuff like that, because there's so much judgment in today's. You are a particular shape, you will be judged. You are not a particular shape, you will be judged. You are a particular size, you will be judged. You're wearing something, you'll be judged. You're not wearing something, you'll be judged. Because of you, there are a lot of people who deal with body image issues with a lot of positivity.
I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah.
I'm really happy to hear that, and really that's been my agenda, because growing up I never had that role model. There was not one person at that point in time I felt like I could be like, oh, I relate, or somebody who told me that it's okay to be how you are.
Yeah.
I needed that, and I think that's why even when I started doing movies, I did lose a lot of weight. I did the bung, but people were still discussing my weight, and that's when I said, to hell with them. There are people who will never be happy.
Yeah.
So you just focus on yourself, you do you, and move on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But did it ever get to you when you were growing up, because you didn't have anybody to...
When I was growing up, sometimes it did get to me. But it mostly got to me because I used to play sports a lot, and I just felt really unhealthy at times. And I didn't like the fact that it was, affecting me and my game. So that is why I used to feel really bad sometimes. Like I couldn't do track because I couldn't run as well as the other girls. But I was great at like throw ball, volleyball, basketball. My coach used to keep benching me because I would stand in one place and I would tell them all, everybody pass me the ball, and I would just put it in the basket because I was great at that. But that's not how you play the game. You can't stand in one place. You have to run around.
That's
so
true.
I didn't like it, but it was affecting my game more than anything else.
But I'm happy that you do it, because today there are so many influencers that I look up to. There's Chubby Twirler, she dances really well. There's Sobya, who's from Bangladesh, that I follow. There's my own Rashita.
She's superb.
She is brilliant, and I love her fashion because she's like killing it all the time. I feel that even if you speak to her, she'll speak the same, that that you never conformed to the industry norms. And I think there was a time when people also realize that no, we can't box
Yeah.
heroines like that.
Yeah.
And today, Vidya Balan.
No, and you shouldn't, and you really shouldn't. Each to his own. Everybody has a different journey. Everybody has a different way they want to be seen. Now, you think it's not possible for me to become skinny if I didn't want to?
Absolutely.
Of course it is. And I've changed my shape for many different roles.
True.
I've lost weight for Akira to become extremely fit. I've put on weight, 15-20 kilos for double XL. You think I can't do it? I can do it, but I'm very happy with the way I am.
Absolutely.
So whose business is it to tell me
Absolutely.
how to look, really?
What's your usual cheat meal like?
My usual cheat meal is something with rice. I'm okay as long as I have rice.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're a rice girl.
I'm a full rice girl. This cauli rice just doesn't cut it.
But then you have to do
I
it.
need chawal. Yeah.
तो लास्ट चावल कब खाई थी?
कल ही मैंने आज डाइट शुरू किया.
If there is one item that you
हाँ.
can quickly mix and make और जो भी घर पे आपके लिए पकता है,
हाँ.
जिसका आप छोटा सा रेसिपी हमको बोलो, क्योंकि आपके बोलने के बाद हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे उसको बनाने के लिए.
I don't know the sea of cooking.
या बट कुछ तो होगा ना ऐसे जो आप बना लेते हो
मैं
छुटपुट.
कुछ भी नहीं बनाती हूँ भाई. मेरी माँ बहुत अपसेट होगी. वापस तुम ये जले पे नमक छिड़क रहे हो. It's not a good place. Don't go there.
Scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs, yeah.
वो कैसे बनाते हो आप?
उसमें मिल्क डालते हैं थोड़ा, बटर lots of butter, and then just break the egg. Then उसको ऐसे ऐसे करके वो scramble हो जाता है.
Wow, lovely. This is the easiest I
It's damn
think.
easy.
This is easy. But Sonakshi, you don't really talk too much again about your projects too much. Not about the praise so much, but it's on us that we praise you. When you speak of Hira Mandi, it's with so many women.
Yeah.
And it's not the first time that you're doing a multi-starrer. There are so many actors today who have come out and spoken about, you know, how there would be so many multi-starrers back in the 90s and they don't exist anymore because of insecurities. Firstly, as a human being, it's only more human to be insecure sometimes. What are your insecurities about as a human being? And how do you manage to be so secure that you can always act in a group of people and still stand out?
I think it's much easier to get 6 women to do a multi-starrer like this. You get me any heroes and make a 6-hero film. It's nobody's done it. Who's done it? Which was the last one? I don't remember. And it's always the women that will come forward. If it's a big hero film, a girl will be okay with playing a smaller character and doing a role in that film, but a mainstream main lead actor will never come and do a small character role for a female actor. So the women are always much easier to work with, and I trust you me, I've worked on this set with 6 different women and who are so beautifully secure in their own way. Nobody was trying to steal anybody's limelight, nobody was taking anybody's lines. We were all supporting each other. I believe it's much easier to work with women, and this has been one of the best experiences of my life. Really. Yeah.
And what are your own insecurities?
My own insecurities, I would like to think of myself as a very secure person. I have very few friends. And they're very, very close to me. I just don't want to lose them. Yeah, that is my biggest fear in terms of. But otherwise, I'm good. I think my insecurities also would have to be with things that are close to me and personal to me, not, superficial things. Yeah.
But kudos to you for being you, because I think you give the power to a lot of other men and women to be themselves and be unapologetically themselves. And yes, I hope that you keep getting more laurels and celebrating it more often. Thank you for joining us for lunch, although the dessert
Thank
is waiting.
you for feeding me lunch. I was starving because I've been running around all day. I've come from a shoot. I have interviews lined up. I was starving. Thank you. Thank you.
Are you full now?
I'm very
We'll
full,
finish
yeah.
the food, but guys, and while we finish the food and talk about things that can't be spoken on camera, you guys can take a break. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Sonakshi Sinha and you're watching me on Galata, India.
Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Admissions open for BTech, BSc Agri, BPharm, Nursing, Paramedical and Arts and Science courses.